All right, 4,500 kilometers in the short under 2 months I've owned this beauty, and it is basically time for a new back tire. I'll probably get a little more life out of it. This came with the Karoo 3, and it's been a good tire. I've liked it. However, it did wear quickly, and I mean that's just due to the weight, as well as the power that this bike has. We ride 2-up quite a bit. I did mostly asphalt, did go off-road a few times, and again it worked well, although now that it's worn down so much it's not working well at all. So yeah, it held up well. We're going to try the Dunlap trail for a little bit of longevity this next time around. But just to give this some feedback, I mean, if you don't mind spitting through tires at every 5,000 K, it is a decent tire. The Karoo 4 is supposed to have a little bit better center strip right here for riding highway and maybe get a little more length out of it. Yeah, if it didn't wear out so quickly, I would have just got another one. And on the front, the front tire, and they say this, it gets about twice the longevity, which is pretty standard on motorcycle tires for a lot of it. They don't take most of the weight. You know, it's still good. It's still running tread. I really have no issue with that at all. So anyways, that's my thoughts on the Karoo.